20 Incredible Health Benefits of Kefir. Kefir is a fermented drink that is manufactured by utilizing specialized grains that are a combination of gelatinous white or yellow particles of casein, milk proteins, and complex sugars. The kefir grains consist of approximately 10 to 20 different types of beneficial bacteria and yeast organisms. The yeast and bacteria react to milk when mixed to create a fermented, healthy drink. Here are 20 reasons to drink kefir. 1. Probiotics. The active curds are a valuable source of probiotics for the digestive tract. It contains more probiotics than typical yogurt. 2. Immune system booster. The good bacteria and yeast stem the growth of harmful gut bacteria and naturally boost the body's immune system. 3. Ample calcium. One 175-gram serving provides 20% of a person's recommended dietary allowance (RDA) of calcium. 4. Relaxes and relieves anxiety. It contains a key amino acid known as tryptophan, which is commonly found in turkey meat. Tryptophan helps the body relax and feel sleepy. It also relieves feelings of anxiety. 5. Lactose digestion. In a study done by the Medical Dietetics Division, School of Allied Medical Professions at The Ohio State University, researchers found that consuming it improved lactose digestion and may be a way to eventually overcome lactose intolerance. 6. Digestion improvement. Upon consumption, it raises the levels of good bacteria in the digestive tract, which improves overall digestion. 7. Alleviates childhood diarrhea. The probiotics in kefir have been shown to improve bouts of childhood diarrhea and may keep children safe from the highly contagious rotavirus, according to WebMD. 8. Antibacterial properties. The antibacterial properties are believed to fight off Salmonella, Helicobacter pylori, and E. coli. 9. Antibiotic Induced Diarrhea. Antibiotics play a key role in treating many infections. However, long-term use of antibiotics can cause the beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract to perish. A bacterial imbalance in the digestive tract often leads to bouts of diarrhea. The bacteria within kefir helps restore the good bacteria in the digestive tract. 10. Protein. A 6-ounce serving contains 6 grams of quality protein. 11. B vitamins. Ample levels of biotin, B1, and B12 are found in kefir. B12 is known to benefit the body's blood and nervous system, B1 is an ideal stress reliever, and biotin helps the body utilize all B vitamins more effectively. 12. Reduces cholesterol and lowers blood pressure. The active granules in kefir naturally manufacture polysaccharide, which has been shown by Japan's Research and Development Division at Daiwa Pharmaceutical Co., Limited to lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. 13. Ample phosphorus. Kefir contains 20% of the RDA of phosphorus, which the human body uses for cell growth and energy. 14. Allergies and asthma. Researchers at the Natural Medicine Research Center, Korea Research Institute of Bioscience and Biotechnology found that bacteria and yeast are a strong anti-inflammatory that could curb the allergic reactions of the body in certain individuals. The anti-inflammatory properties also relieve asthma symptoms by reducing lung inflammation. 15. Reduces flatulence. Kefir reduces flatulence and regulates bowel movements. 16. Traveler's stomach. A small amount of kefir can successfully regulate the gastrointestinal system to fight common traveler's stomach bugs. 17. Increases metabolism. It can rev up the body's metabolism, which may help individuals lose weight. 18. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis causes bone loss and the deterioration of connective tissues. It is a chronic condition suffered by many postmenopausal women. Researchers at the National Center of Excellence for General Clinical Trial and Research, National Taiwan University Hospital, and College of Public Health found that consumption of bacteria-rich milk-based compounds improved bone mass density in osteoporosis sufferers. 19. Acne reduction. Kefir inhibits the growth of harmful bacteria in the body, which frequently causes acne. 20. Gastrointestinal relief. Frequent consumption relieves the discomfort and symptoms associated with irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) and inflammatory bowel disease. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more health and wellness news and tips, please subscribe to this channel.